Manu, can you tell us about this big touchscreen and how it differs from people's touchscreens that they might have on their smartphones or their tablets?
Yes, so we call this MultiTouch cell. It's a 55-inch fully integrated LCD display, and it is different in a way that it actually sees what you are doing on top of the display. We have a camera system of over 30 cameras inside the display, and we are able to recognize unlimited number of users at the same time.
Now, how are you recognizing it? Is it the heat of your hand? Is it what is it that the cameras are picking up on?
They are actually picking up a reflection of infrared that we are shooting through the LCD panel. So we are seeing the contours of the hand, or we are also able to see the optical code in this kind of physical object.
So in this case, you've got a business card with an optical code, and it brings up your personal information?
Yes. And if I take Timo's away, I place my own, it has a nicer picture.
Sure.
This is a virtual guestbook application. I can draw my message in here and send it to Flickr, flicking back there.
And what kind of market do you see for a display like this? This is obviously a little big and expensive for a consumer to have in their home.
It is at the moment a bit expensive, and we are selling to businesses, but we are seeing that in a few years, this kind of technologies in your kitchen table or your living room table, and enabling all kinds of things in your house. You can control your AC, your TV, media playback, and basically use it as a remote control for your house.
And what about for people who are familiar with the Microsoft Surface, and this might remind them of it? How does this differ?
Well, first of all, it is actually quite similar in terms of proposition, but the differences start with the size. So we have a 55-inch size, which is quite significantly bigger than the Surface 2. And the second thing is that our products and technologies is built for stacking. So you can put up to 24 displays together to really deploy huge interactive surfaces, either as table or as a wall. And we have already a number of such deployments out there.
Right, you mentioned that some companies are already using this. Could you talk about the use cases that people might have already seen or could see in the market?
So in the US, we have some familiar names. We have Lincoln using a interactive table with 4 of our units on their car shows since the past 2 years. We have NASA commemorating the 30th anniversary of the space shuttle in the Johnson Space Center with an installation which is directed mostly for children.
Right, so things like showrooms, museums, with the interactivity.
And we see a huge market in retail. So engaging and attracting consumers is paramount in the retail space. So how to get the clients in and how to keep them in the retail space, and how to enable them to do more and more shopping.
Now, also, just because I know everyone will be curious, can you give a sense of the cost of this?
This is a top-of-the-line model, and it is now priced at slightly above $20,000 US. We have a number of other products as well, which are under $20,000 US.
All right, 20,000 and under.